Welcome to the University of Rwanda, home of science and technology, where knowledge meets creativity, innovation, and invention. Welcome to University of Rwanda. Enhance your knowledge with us.
You just had University of Rwanda. Here there is UR Tekinova Hub, an innovation center at the University of Rwanda. At UR Tekinova Hub, we develop systems, we design systems, we maintain systems, we do a lot of things that are of technical terms. Of course, through our mentorship, through collaboration, through teamwork, a lot of things are done at UR Tekinova Hub, where students are turned into innovators and ideas are turned into a reality.
My name is Edizo Uyanganye. I am a computer scientist and software developer. I'm here to introduce you to Tekinova, University of Rwanda, software industry. Welcome. As you see here, this is our hub. We are the student in different departments. There are someone for computer science, information technology, information system, computer engineering. What we are doing here, as you see here from the screen, you get an idea. This is a design. We just develop a software from scratch, from analyzing, design, development, testing, and implementation. You are welcome.
Hello, I'm Grandmana Jerome, ESD computer science student at University of Rwanda. Before joining UR Tekinova Hub, it was hard to collaborate with others, but after working on different projects at the University of Rwanda, I find it easy to collaborate with others, sharing skills and experience. This has really improved my coding skills. Thanks.
Greetings, my name is Nishuti Porindiranye, a level 3 computer science student at UR CST. 2 years ago, when I encountered the keyword UR Tekinova, I was struggling and learning at LX, where I was taking 12-month software engineering program. That time, I didn't understand the importance of collaboration, but 3 months ago, when I joined the UR Tekinova, that is when I fully understand that going far does not only depend on my personal efforts, but the teamwork. Also, I learned that listening to the advice from those who was been here in career before I arrived may be the keyword to success, and knowing how I can apply what I learned in order to benefit society.
My name is Teshime Kaitinga. I have joined Tekinova because I love coding. I have experienced that Tekinova is improving the skills of developers, so I joined Tekinova Hub. I have passion to increase my skills in coding. I haven't worked in team, but when you are in Tekinova, you work with the teams and experienced with real-world projects. The Tekinova is amazing.
My name is Mneze Naganamshe. I'm a student in School of ICT in my year 4 of study. I was inspired to join UR Tekinova Hub because I always been passionate about technology, innovation, and real-world problems solving. I saw the hub has great opportunity to grow my skills, to collaborate with others, motivate students, and bring ideas to life. Through my involvement at Hub, I gained a variety of skills including project management, team collaboration, UI UX design, full stack development, and the ability to present and design full stack. Pitch ideas clearly. I have also improved my critical thinking and learned how to approach complex problems more effectively.
Good evening. My name is Abim Daishimie. I'm a student from Computer Science, Year 4. But now I'm the member of a Binary Hub, but we changed the name. Now it is Tekinova Hub, based on the experience. I'm also a leader, a student leader of a Binary Hub. I remember I joined the Binary Hub in 2023 with a team of 10 members. We were in the Bakame coders. By now we have many experiences, and I encourage many students from the school to join the Binary Hub. By now I can say we are at a good pacing. We develop, we innovate. We had a big challenge in our school where students had skills and the knowledge, but they didn't know how they can collaborate for transforming that ideas into the product or into the productive innovation. But based on the Tekinova Hub, we have mentors like our lecturers, our senior developers who can say are Armenia of University of Rwanda. Also, they passed in the hub before we joined the hub. They train us, they give us the mentorship based on the ideas we have, and train us on the side of development, coding, but also help us to increase the mentality on how we can structure our ideas for transforming ideas into the productive, innovative ideas. By now, we are at a good place. We develop. Now we are focusing on the innovation of the University of Rwanda, where we are developing some systems which are very, very needed in our college. But when are developed successfully, the project which will help the university at the national level, like the asset management system, like the fleet management system, which are very needed in our college. By now, we are encouraging students from our schools, also for the college in general, to join the hub. You can have an idea, but you can join the hub to work together with other people from the school to transform your idea into a product. I'm encouraging all students from the college to join the hub, because in a few days the hub is going to be a good space for everyone. So you are welcome to join the hub. Come, and you have to work together to reach our goal. Thank you.